Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Acrylic Sanya. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make waves textured art. For that, we'll need a molding paste. Specifically, I'm using a light molding paste and mixing it with little sand to give it a little grainy texture. You can also use a sand texture which you get in like normal stores. You can get it, or you can add the sand directly, but make sure the sand is very clean and make sure you're mixing it really well to have that smooth consistency and texture and not mixing like too much. Use the broadest knife whichever is available to just spread out the mixture on the canvas. Also, if you think the mixture is like too thick, just make sure you can add titanium white or white gesso to it. Don't add too much because we want the natural sand color to be intact. Cover the entire canvas in the layer of sand. Spread it with a knife. After this, we are going to use a little sponge to just make sure the texture was even and it's not like grainy and uneven all around. Make sure the corners of the canvas are properly well covered. Now just tap the sponge all over the texture while it's still wet to make sure the even application of the texture. Just a gentle dab, not like too much. And now we have to wait until the texture beneath is like completely dry. So here I waited for at least 12 hours for it to get completely dry so you can color on top of it. Make sure it's completely dry before you start coloring. I am using teal and titanium white and very light shades. I'm like mixing a lot of titanium white to it because I wanted like very gentle summer breeze kind of a feeling to my painting and didn't want to make it something very bright. Use a very soft brush to color on top of the texture. In my case, I used a lot of water to make sure the color is evenly applied to the painting. If you think you can go do it without the water, just like a little here and there, that's absolutely fine. Otherwise, you can add a little more water to make sure the even application of the color, because like it's like texture underneath, so it's kind of little challenging to make sure the color is evenly applied. The soft brush makes it a little easy to apply color evenly. Here, as you can see, as we are going down the painting, I'm making it more lighter to give it the effect of like the wave, like which is darker back and like little light in the front. I made a little layout before I started coloring because that's how I wanted my painting, like my wave to kind of look like. Now I'm making like one more wave in front of the wave which we actually made, like a really gentle one. Here I'm using a knife to apply the titanium white color, like it's just a basic titanium white, no water or nothing in it. If you don't have a knife, you can also use a brush, like absolutely no issues over here. Now to give it that wave effect, just drag that color a little behind using that same knife. If you don't have a knife, you can use a brush and just drag very gently to show that like light breezy summer day effect of the wave. And I'm also using brush to give it like the gentle water effect. Now making one more wave just beneath the actual wave that which we made, but this is going to be way much more lighter. It's just kind of, the sand is like underneath is like just wet, and there's very little water is there on that sand. So I'm using titanium white and a brush just to give a light gentle breeze wave effect. Here I'm making just some wiggles using light brush just to show the wave that has just gone back. If you want, like, you can skip this step, but I just wanted to give it a like little extra breezy gentle summer day effect, so I just went ahead with this one. But make sure the color underneath is like very light to give it that effect. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Thank you.